I think when Americans see a Marine, they automatically envision a Marine infantryman who's out there in the front lines carrying a heavy load, going hand in hand with the enemy at the forward edge of the battle area, the forward edge of wherever the combat may be. And that's who they envision, and that's what I wanted to get involved with, as far forward as possible against the enemy forces. Your job is to learn infantry skills and to employ your Marines in a training environment to learn the skills necessary to have an impact around the world in a combat situation. And so you're training them, you're mentoring them, honing their skills as a collective team effort to go out and accomplish the mission. All Marines are a part of a larger picture. If we start worrying about our own self, our own goal, our own achievements, and worry about our own hardships, we're going to fail. But if you start looking at how we fit in the larger picture, the mental and physical toughness becomes a little bit easier.
As an infantry officer, my responsibility is to prepare and to train the crown jewel of America, and that's a United States Marine Corps infantryman. And what an infantry officer does is to train and prepare the United States Marine infantrymen for combat and for whatever the world has to offer. We have a concept that's called the three-block war concept. In the first block, you can find yourself doing full combat operations. In the second block, you can find yourself doing peacekeeping missions. And in the third block, you can find yourself literally passing out humanitarian aid, anywhere from food to medical supplies. And these are the things that we have to train our Marines to do. We have to train them to be extremely aggressive, and we also have to train them to be compassionate. And you as a Marine officer are in charge of that. You're the one that's responsible for making sure that these men are physically, mentally, and also morally able to take on this task. In essence, you're like the quarterback. You're playing, but you're doing all the decision making. You're making sure that everybody's in the right place and doing the right things. I always tell them this is a job that not very many can do, and not very many people can be Marines, and even fewer can be United States Marine officers. It's not a job. It's just like breathing. It's like breathing. You wake up and you're going to do X, Y, or Z. That's what the Marine Corps is like to me. It's challenging. It's something that every day has a different challenge, and it's a different way of approaching it.